question is now, who's going to be the best worst candidate?
There they are. Can't get a good focus on them.
So boring.
But you can see them crawling around.
Sophisticated military apparatus and zero gravity sound complicated. For some people, it is complicated. But you don't have to worry about that. You're the guy who walks into that boardroom, says whatever the hell you want, and leaves the minimum wage doctor nerds to figure it out.
You guys be working out amazing ideas. Trump computer, Trump milk, Trump four-legged pleasure dog.
You see they're red. There's a baby.
This time is going to be different. Oh, really? How could you think that? Because I'm not thinking.
Makes me itch just watching these little fucks.
My fellow Americans, we choose to launch Space Force before the week is out. Not because it's easy, which it is, Mike. Not because aeronautic defense contractors overpay their Mar-a-Lago dues 400%, but because it's cool.
So now let's look at it after I treated. I'm getting some kind of lens flare on here. But as you see, these are fucking like cemented in place.
What were we supposed to gain from that?
Space Force is awesome.
It's hard to get a good focus on here because the camera's got to focus and then I got to focus the microscope. But as you see, this is a treated leaf with my mixture. And as you see, these are all motherfucking dead. What it is, the alcohol dries them up, it cements them in place, and they fucking suffocate, I guess, along with the Azamax, which is an oil. Everyone I've seen so far is dead in place. Plus, there's a little bit of a residual from the Mighty Wash. So it's a mixture of Python, Azamax, and alcohol. So the shit definitely works, man. I haven't seen one live one on here. I picked it up because this is one of the more eaten leaves that I treated yesterday with the Azamax mixture. And then I pulled one of the clones, and that's the one that was crawling at the beginning of the video. So it appears that I got what I wanted. Well, there's that music again. I guess that means it's time to go. This is Dutchman420 saying, fuck them spider mites, man. Like I said, the gloves are off. So on that note, if you got them, Mighty Wash is good, but the other shit's cheaper. Keep on growing and smoking.